After Twisha Sharma's mysterious death, the case is spiraling into an even darker and more disturbing turn. Her husband Samarth is still absconding, despite an intensified police manhunt and a cash reward announcement. Twisha's body, meanwhile, still lies uncremated as her parents refuse to perform the last rites, demanding what they call the full truth behind her death. The police commissioner has confirmed that the reward money to trace Twisha's absconding husband Samarth has now been increased, even as investigators claim they are examining every possible lead, document and piece of evidence connected to the case. Listen in.
नहीं, हमने इनाम भी बढ़ा दिया है, 30,000 रुपये इनाम कर दिया है और पार्टी हमारी लगी हुई है, पूरी मेहनत कर रही हैं। कोशिश है हमारी उनको जल्दी से जल्दी गिरफ्तार करने की। देखो, इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए हमें जो भी रेलेवेंट लगेगा, जो भी आवश्यक लगेगा, हम वो कार्रवाई करेंगे। कोई भी ऐसा तथ्य है जो हमारे इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए ज़रूरी है और कोई भी व्यक्ति हमें अगर कोई इस तरह का वीडियो या डॉक्यूमेंट देता है तो हम नेचुरली उस पर विचार करेंगे। उसमें हर व्यक्ति की कोशिश रहती है कि भाई व्यक्ति की पहले जान बचाई जाए। इस पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट पे तो मैं कमेंट्स नहीं करना चाह रहा। हाँ, हमें जैसे ही पता लगा हमने हमारी जो वैधानिक कार्रवाई है वो शुरू कर दी।
All right, we have some big breaking news coming in. Twisha's mother-in-law is now under the scanner. Did she try to influence the probe? That question is now being asked after some call records have come to fore submitted by Twisha's family, in which there is an allegation that she tried to reach out to influential people. A call record submitted by victim's family in court saying that accused Giribala Singh was in touch with influential people of the society, constantly requested from court to investigate about these numbers. Let's go across to Rucha, joining us in the broadcast with more details. Rucha, Twisha's family has submitted a call record. Their allegation is that Giribala Singh, the mother-in-law of Twisha, was constantly in touch with influential people. What do they mean by influential people? Who are they talking about?
Twisha's family is continuing to believe that they are not getting any support from the police department or from the judiciary, which is why now they are only helping the police by providing some kind of evidence. And this call direct record shows that some 20 plus calls were made by Twisha's mother-in-law after the incident took place. Ideally, it was expected that it will be police or the ambulance that the family would call first, but they chose to call on some different contact numbers, and this list has now come out. The Twisha's family is now handing it over to the police and is presenting this in the court that these contacts should be taken into consideration. Who are these people? What role did they play, and why did she make so many calls after knowing about this incident? A woman who is learning about a demise of her daughter-in-law would be tensed or would be in a different kind of mental state, but she was making calls, is what the family is alleging. On top of it, one of the things that the family is continuously mentioning is that the kind of influence Twisha's mother-in-law had on different department, it may be the judiciary or the police department.
All right.
Herself has
All right, Rucha, thank you. Thank you for getting us the details. We're moving on.